Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to read data from the keyboard, okay, in C++. So let's do this. So first of all, let's create some variables. So in this instance, int number, I forgot an n number. Okay, I'm gonna read just one number. So we're gonna print some message such as enter a number. We're gonna add a new line, and we're gonna use the sing. So the sing function works very similarly with the cout function. So you could read sing in or sim, okay, and we pass this two signals in the opposite direction. So it's pretty clever. We're gonna put a number here. So this is how we can read the variable, and we're gonna print that variable out. So let's type you've entered the number. Let's put the number here, and let's add a new line. Okay, so let's execute, and we should see it's screen asking me to enter some number. Let's enter 96. So you guys can see you've entered 96. So let's read some name here. Let's create a char array name. Let's read with 16 chars, 16 characters. Okay. Let's change enter a name. Let's change this to name. Where's the M? Name, and this to name and name. So I'm gonna execute, and now you should probably see the output. Enter name, Pedro. So you guys can see you've entered the name Pedro. So you guys can pretty much see that contrarily to C, we don't need to specify the data type. Okay, the compiler or the runtime will know exactly what we are talking about. So I don't need to specify that this is a string, okay, because it already know that name is a string array. So yeah, you guys could try to change this for a string to be more precise. Okay, so this is your homework. Try to read this string. Remember to import this header, okay, the string header, to your source code so you can create a string variable and read that. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys next time.